Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here. It's the first time when I come to this conference. I would like to say Kalispera. I hope that this is good, but this is the last, let's say, Greek proficiency that I can give you today.
But you will learn.
Yeah, I will learn. Okay, little by little. Today I would like to discuss a little bit about how reducing shipping costs and increase the customer loyalty. We will deep dive if it's possible, and if it's possible, we will try to give you some hints how. But first, let's tell a few words about us, because as I mentioned, we are a Romanian company. This is the first time when I come to this fair, and I would like to show some figures regarding us. We started in 2017 in Romania. Now we have more than 200 customers in different countries from Europe. Most of them are, of course, in the Balkans, because we started in Romania, and of course we have some clients also in the region. This is the map that we cover right now. We pretty much cover the whole Europe, and we have integrated in our platform, let's say, a lot of carriers, more specifically around 200 carriers from entire Europe. Some of them are local here with local presence in Balkan and in Greece, and some of let's say cover the regional part, and some of them are international. Few of our clients which have presence here in Greece and in region. As you can see, we cover different type of clients, from small one to big one, big brands which work in different countries, including here in Greece. And we cover also different industry and type of businesses. Now, before, let's say, answer to the two questions that I put at the beginning, we took some, let's say, results of some survey that were done last year here in Greece. And basically, there are two questions that they try to answer. One, it's why you choose online versus offline. And to summarize the results, it's convenience. This is pretty much straightforward, but they go a little bit deeper and ask, okay, if you go online, how you choose from different online providers, or maybe how you choose or refuse to work with different providers. And the response for the second question lies in the experience that you have for the returns and the delivery experience that you will have as a shopper. In order to, let's say, understand a little bit more what's happening here, we try to, let's say, go with our clients and also invite some other online shoppers to respond to some additional questions to see how we could understand what is behind this. And we start with a simple question, which is asking them, at this moment, after we pass through the, let's say, COVID, and now the economy is a little bit settled, what are the main challenges when you compare with other online shoppers? And it was not a surprise that the main reason is that the competition it's offering better prices. The second was unpleasant return experience, and the third was the bad experience overall for the delivery. Now, coming back to the price war that was started mainly after the COVID, when a lot of shops go online. We try to understand a little bit more how they classify the main, let's say, struggles, pain points when it comes on working online. And the main three topics that were, let's say, resulted from this survey were increasing cost, which is also related to, let's say, price competition, complexity, and the speed of delivery, especially here where the country is very, let's say, divided in small parts, including islands. You will have different delivery times and different experience depending on how and where you shop. And then we go a little bit more and try to understand from the, let's say, online shops point of view, what are the main reason to have, let's say, high cost on the delivery. And the three main reasons were the following. Manual processing. There are a lot of operation and processes which are still done manually. There are a lot of costs related to returns, and they do not have, let's say, deep analysis what's happening in the operation. Now, we move now from the end user point of view and what they consider as a good customer experience when it comes to analyze the last mile. And here, most of them, if you summarize the responses that they collected on the local market, they are still related to delivery or the bad experience on the delivery side. And then we come back to our customer base and the people that we invite to let's say, participate to our survey, to understand a little bit more what is the main reason that they will have these, let's say, problems. And the top three problems that they highlighted is visibility and tracking, the cost for the delivery, and convenience. Now, in order to overcome, we will go a little bit in detail how we can help the online shopper to solve most of the problem that we highlighted in the slides before. And in order to understand how we can help, we split the customer journey when they shop online in 4 main phases. The first phase, it's what we call pre-purchase, is the stage where you stay online and try to select the goods that you want to buy. And then there is a post-purchase phase where you select the goods, close the shopping basket, and then there is something that's happening after you, let's say, close the shopping cart, and you wait for the good to be the delivery. And of course, there is also another step, what's happening after the delivery. And for each phase, we try to let's say, help and offer solution for our customers in order to have what was, let's say, requested, as you can recall in the previous question, visibility and tracking for whole what we call process from the click, the first click when you do in the online shop, till the moment the goods are arriving at your door, and of course also after that part. And here we offer some tools which are related to how seamlessly integrating the shopping cart in the checkout phase, all the tools in order to have what was also requested for the shoppers, to have the convenience. And there, with our, let's say, delivery widget, we offer the possibility to integrate in the checkout, very simple, the whole types of the delivery from delivery on the lockers to home delivery, scheduled delivery, or pick up from stores. And then when you try to purchase the orders, you have to see how much it costs and what is the quality of the delivery, and of course to have some, let's say, estimation regarding delivery. Sometimes you want to be delivered quick, or sometimes you want to deliver cheap. This should be fully transparent for the end users when they buy online. If they do not have that, there is a, let's say, bad experience that they have on the checkout, and most of the time they abandon the shopping cart. And then we help the online shops to have everything it's needed for real-time selection and analysis, tracking, notification, and at the end, of course, we capture the feedback from the clients. And that everything that we collect on these 4 main phases, it's used in the future to better improve the selection, which is more, let's say, personalized and customized for the users. This is one of the examples how we integrate our widget in one of our clients here in Greece. There is an easy way to integrate the widget. You'll have all the deliveries option. In this case, they have some pickup points from a local supplier. Then along the delivery, what's happening when you wait to have the goods to be delivered at your home, you have a link where you can track in real time what's happening with the delivery and constantly update on the date of the delivery, and more specifically also the time of the delivery. This is also what's happening for post-delivery, and here it's an example when we compare the performance of the carriers in Greece with customer perception when it's compared with the services that they receive from those carriers. And clearly here, even though from the performance point of view they deliver the goods in SLA, the customers are not satisfied, and the red part in the Greece map show that. We take this in account in order to better deliver and serve the clients for the next time they shop. Here we summarize all the, let's say, main functionality that we can offer for our clients, and this summarize all the benefit that they can have from initial integration and all the operational performance that you need in order to have a very good and efficient operation. I will briefly tell you a few words about the Intersport use case, to whom we work in Romania, Bulgaria, Greece, and Cyprus. When we started to work with them at the beginning, they have a centralized operation from the warehouse point of view here in Greece, and the delivery in other countries were done centralized. It was, let's say, simple, straightforward, and efficient. But when it comes with the time of the delivery and overall customer experience, it was a very unpleasant situation. Therefore, together with us, even though they do not build local warehouses in different countries, we try to, let's say, use the shops, the physical store, as some, let's say, small micro warehouses in order to deliver the goods from the stores. And in this way, we reduce significantly the time of the delivery, and also together with all the visibility and tracking that we offer, the overall customer, let's say, dissatisfaction has decreased, and they reduce the return rate with 40%. This is furthermore how we try to, let's say, improve what they use there, and this is an explanation how they will use the local stores in order to deliver the goods, and sometimes, as it's put it here, they will use as a drop point and also same-day delivery. To summarize my today presentation, I believe that in the current let's say, phase that we are now, having a very good delivery performance and having as a huge differentiator the last mile delivery solution that you use, you can have happy customers and also reduce the overall return rate and increase the customer loyalty. Thank you. And
Well,
if you want to visit us, we are at the entrance on the Lighthouse booth.
okay.